Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Okay. In last class, I'm sorry I couldn't take the classes from past few. I think last class Monday I couldn't take the class. I couldn't conduct the exam as well. So due to some reasons I couldn't conduct. Yes. So yes. Now, guys, tell me till what we have last class. What we have just gone through.
Sir, we did more sums on probability, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We did more sums on probability. Good. So in this class, what we do is so we'll try to solve. I think we have done with all the stuff. In this class, basically, we'll try to solve Olympiad questions. Olympiad questions, okay?
Okay, sir. Which chapter, sir?
Yes. So tell me, your Olympiad exam is going to be nearing up, so no problem. So we'll try to solve the Olympiad questions. Tell me what chapter you want me to solve. What chapter you want me to solve?
Sir, anything related to algebra, sir?
Okay, tell me.
Polynomial or quadratic equation, pair of linear equation.
Okay, so you want me to solve that? So just a minute. So we'll give that questions and we'll just try to solve that. Polynomials?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So please everyone do solve these questions. So these are our IMO question, guys. Make it fast. Make it fast. I need a response from everyone.
Sir, I've lost a bit touch in polynomials, sir. If you solve 2 questions, then I can grab it again.
So I don't think so. Within 2 questions you can grab it. So yes, try it out. Alpha, beta are the zero of the zeros means what? Zeros means what? Basically
Means
roots.
when they when we place them in the polynomial, the result will
Roots are solutions, isn't it? Zeros is nothing but roots or solutions of the polynomial. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to what? हाँ बताइए, make it fast. So alpha, beta, gamma are the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus 6x square minus 4x plus 30. Then the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to what?
Minus 30.
Yes, dear Chotu Bacha sir, like like shouting. 1 second. What's the answer? Come on. I know one. We know one, like one is note here, formula.
yes, sir. There's a formula, right? Alpha by beta. What's that, sir?
Hmm. How many of you know the guys? You must solve it. At least I need an answer from you. At least one member.
So is the answer -2?
How did you solve? See here, basically, okay, let me solve here. How did you solve? So this is a polynomial given here. So let us see here. Sum of the polynomial is what? See, what is A here? What is
Sir,
A? This A, this is B, this is C, this is D here. So here, sum of the product of the sum of the roots. So what is the formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What was the alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. Okay? Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D by A. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. So we need this one. C by A. What is C here? Minus 4 by 2. Answer is minus 2. Okay? Yes or no? Yes or no? Minus C by A, which is nothing but minus C means what? Sorry, minus C means 4 here. C by A. So answer is minus 2. Option C is correct. Diksha, you are right. Next question.
yes, sir. Sir, should we check with all the options, sir? If the sum is 3 and the product is 2, -2.
No, it is not like that, man. See here, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the given polynomial, if any polynomial, all right. So here is a third degree polynomial. So I'll be having 3 zeros. I mean 3 solutions, isn't it? Yes or no? If the given polynomial is a third degree polynomial, yes or no? Cubic polynomial.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
it will be having 3 roots. It will be having 3 roots. Yes, it will be having 3 roots. So which is nothing but, look at this here. 3 roots alpha beta gamma. So it will be having, look at this, when 3 roots means like whenever we have 3 roots, sum of these 3 roots is what? Minus b by a. Product of these roots is what? Minus d by a. Product of sum of these two roots, 2 at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Okay, all right. So now c by a is my answer. What is c value here? -4. A value is 2. So minus 4 by 2 is gives me -2 is the answer.
No, sir, I'm not talking.
Tell me, you're talking about
Value.
what?
should we means the quadratic polynomial sum, that's question. Should we evaluate with every polynomial to check whether whose sum is 3 and the with option A, B, C, and D?
Why do we need to check which and every? He's asking for simply AB plus BC plus C, right? The substitute in the formula, get the answer. Why do we need to check in and all? I didn't understand exactly your question. Can you please repeat that again, Anudeep?
No, sir. In the second question, I was saying that
Next
they
question
said
you're
the
talking. Wait. You're talking about second question. I thought you were talking about first one. Just
no,
mention
no,
that. No, okay.
second
Chalo.
question.
The quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is 3 and product of zeros is what? Yes, of course.
Sir, D is the answer. X
Arey
square
bhai,
minus
look at
3x
this.
minus 2.
Look at this here. All these options are second degree polynomial, which will be having two roots. Which will be having two roots. Let us say alpha and beta are the let alpha and are the roots of a polynomial ax square of a quadratic equation, or let us say second degree polynomial. Okay, so now what is nothing but here what sum of the roots means alpha plus b minus b by a. Product of the roots is what? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is, look at this here, what is asking sum is what here? Sum is what? 2. So sum is what? 3. Product is what? Minus 2 is saying. So I know one formula here. I know one formula for making, whenever he has given roots, guys, whenever he has given roots, whenever he has given sum of the root, like for framing this, look at this, sum of the roots is means minus b by a. What is b here? Minus b. Minus b means minus b means what? Minus 3 should be. Minus 3 is available here. So option A is not possible. B is not possible. Minus 3 is available here and here. C is what? C by A. C is what here? C is what? Minus 2. Minus 2. So which is option D is correct?
D.
Clear?
Okay, I got it, sir.
Next question. Look at this here. I'm asking you that find the zeros of the polynomial which is given x cube plus 6x square plus make it fast. This is a third degree polynomial. So how to find out factors of this? Make it fast. Yes, tell me, find the zeros of the polynomial x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Guys, look at this here. In 9th standard, you might have learned synthetic method for finding factors of cubic polynomial. For what we have learned, synthetic method. Synthetic method and so first one by one look at this. We have the polynomial, let us just equal to the p of x. P of x is Okay, so now P of X, if I just, what value of X gives me is equal to 0 here. So if I substitute what value of X, so it gives me 0. Tell me. By using this method, solve this. Make it fast. Look at this, solve here. P of X, you equate P of X with a 0. P of X with a 0. So what value of X gives you 0? Make it fast. Look at this here. What value? Guys, look at this here. If I substitute P of X, array, why you should not take this much time. So if I substitute X value as -1, P of -1 whole cube, 6 into -1 whole square, 11 into -1 plus 6. So -1 here plus 6 minus 11 plus 6. So 12 minus 1. So 0. It is giving me 0. So which means P of -1, which means X is equal to -1 is a factor of the given polynomial, isn't it? X is equal to -1 is a factor of polynomial, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no, guys? By using trial and error method, I can find it out. So now first I found X value as -1. So by using synthetic method, X value, look at this. So X is equal to -1 is a factor. Here, so X is equal to -1 is nothing but, can I write X plus 1 is equal to 0? All right, so X value -1, right? So -1. First, what I have to do is I have to write -1 to the left hand side here. So after writing that, I must write coefficients. Coefficients of, look at, coefficient of X cube is 1 here, coefficient of X square is 6 here, coefficient of 11 is, sorry, X is 11 and constant is 6. So next step is what? I must write this 1 as it is here. Let me write this 1 as it is. Okay. Now next step is what? -1 into 1. What is that? -1. So now add these two. Now 6 plus -1, how much? 5. So again, -1 into 5, how much? -5. So 11 minus 5, how much? 6. Again, -1 into 6, how much? -6. So plus 6 minus 6, 0. Now basically what I have done is I just converted my cubic polynomial into quadratic polynomial. Okay, so what is a quadratic polynomial now? This is a coefficient of X square here. So X square plus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so X square plus 3X plus 2X plus 6 is equal to 0. So X plus 2 comma X plus 3 is equal to 0. What are the factors now? X plus 3 and X plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0 is nothing but X is equal to 3. Here x is equal to -2. So what are the zeros now? X is equal to, therefore can I write now, therefore x is equal to -1, x is equal to -2, x is equal to -3 are the zeros. Zeros zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, understand? Any doubts here, guys? Any doubts? Make it fast.
No, sir.
So this is how you must solve. So look at this here, sir. You might be getting a doubt here. You might be getting a doubt that, sir, zeros, you just asked us to find zeros of the polynomial. Look at this, is a cubic polynomial. It's a cubic polynomial, na? It will be having 3 roots, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what are the 3 roots now? X is equal to -1 is a root, but because whenever I substitute x value as x value is equal to -1 in a given polynomial, I'm just getting equal to 0. So whenever you substitute a particular value in a given polynomial, if you are getting 0, so that particular x value is going to be factor of the given polynomial. Clear? So if I substitute x is equal to -1, I got 0. So which is nothing but 1 -1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Clear? -1 is a factor of given polynomial. All right. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No
Hello?
doubts.
Yes. So next.
Sir, once can you scroll up, sir?
See, I don't want to give extra time for copying. Please, I'm sorry. You can just copy it later. Listen the class first.
Sir,
Copy
not
it later.
for, I have doubts. Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, this one, sir, like how you, this one, sir, this part. Under x is equal to -1 is a factor.
Okay, which one? How I
That
done?
part I didn't understood, sir. How you got the quadratic equation from that step?
So from this step,
Yes, sir, from
basically what I have done is, I'm just converting the cubic polynomial into the quadratic polynomial. If I convert cubic polynomial into quadratic polynomial, so quadratic polynomial, I know factorization by using splitting middle term method, by using completing square method, by using quadratic formula, I can just find it out factors of quadratic polynomial. But cubic polynomial factors, it is somewhat difficult to find it out. This is a shortcut method which is like given as a synthetic method for finding cubic polynomial factors. Clear? Now basically what I have to do is, I just need to I just need to convert this cubic polynomial into this quadratic polynomial. How I just converted? Why? Because one term has gone here. Look at this. This is all cubic polynomial. These are the coefficient of quadratic polynomial now. Why? Because one term has been reduced, right? One coefficient has been reduced, right? You understand? Ashish here. Look at this here. This is a x cube coefficient, x square coefficient, x coefficient constant. Here x square coefficient, x coefficient constant. Why? Because this becomes 0, right? Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes. So I'm just converting cubic into quadratic. So that's the reason. Look, this is a coefficient of x square now. 1 into x square. So 5 into x plus 6 into 6 into x to the power of 0, which is nothing but constant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. Solve this question. Very good question.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, nothing, sir. My mic was not working till now.
Okay. Find the value of x cube plus 3bx minus 2a. If x value is equal to a plus square root of if x value, if x is equal to make it fast. Array, very simple. Look at this. How can I do this?
Sir, how can 1 by 3 the power, sir?
Isn't it possible to find it? Why can't it be? Why couldn't it be? It can be. Why shouldn't it be there? Why shouldn't it be there? It should be, man. It should be. It can be. Nothing wrong in that.
Okay, sir. Sir, once can you explain?
Yes. Did you try? Without trying, don't ask me, please. Try, then ask me. If you don't get it, then you ask me. I'll explain. Without trying, no one should ask me. I just gave you last, like,
Sir,
yes.
can you wait 2 minutes, sir? I'm doing it.
Yes, yes. Make it fast. Make it fast. Basically, we have to find out a polynomial in terms of, like, cubic polynomial. We have to find it out. But I have this one, right? Can I do? Look at this here. X value is given this one. So from this, can I do cubing on both sides? Cubing on both sides. If I do, x cube is equal a plus square root of a square b cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus a minus square root of a square plus b cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts so far? Any doubts, children? So now look at this. I know a cube plus b cube formula. This is like a plus b cube. A plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula is what? A plus b whole cube formula is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We know that. This is the formula. So look at this now. X cube as it is a cube. A cube is nothing but what? A plus square root of a cube. This is a value, a cube. So 3 will be getting cancelled. Yes or no? This is a here, guys. This is entire. This whole part is a here. A. This is b. This is a here. This is b here. Clear? Yes or no? A cube plus b cube. B cube is nothing but a minus square root of a square plus b cube whole to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power of 3. 3 will be getting cancelled. A cube plus b cube plus 3 times of AB. AB is nothing but what here? A plus this is A 3 times of AB. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So look at 3 times of A. So this let us consider some A plus B, right? Let me write A plus B as it is here. Let me write some for some time. I have A plus B, right? So A plus B is nothing but you have to write this again if you want. Clear? So x cube is equal to what I remain with here? A plus square root of this one plus a minus square root of this one. Okay. So this one will be getting cancelled here. Clear? Yes or no? So 3 times of. So can I write now this one as can I write cubic root of this one? This can be written as how? Tell me. Just tell me how can I read this? 3 into after this what can I do guys? Make it fast. अरे भाई इसके बाद बहुत सिंपल है. Make it fast. Tell me how can I do that? What we have to find it out here? We have to find it out. Find the value of that one. X cube plus 3bx minus 2a. Yes. Guys, look at this. That has been given as x, right? So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Now look at this. You take this as 3ab. You take this as x. So if I take that one as x, but because I'll be
Sir,
getting in terms
down
of x.
there, can we use the formula where you were showing us up a little bit up?
Okay.
Yeah, over here, 3a plus the underlined one. Over there, it's in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right?
Yes, of course we can just do that. A plus b
So
into a
a
minus b.
square
That's
minus
what.
b.
Of course, right answer. Square root of whole square root of a square minus b square. Isn't it? That is like cube root, right? 1/3. So can be written as cube root of. Yes or no? Cube root of a square minus b square. B square is nothing but what here? B square is nothing but what?
Root a square plus root b cube.
This part let me write as for some time, like let me write that as x. Okay, clear? Or you
Sir,
just
why did you take the square? Okay, a square minus b.
let
Yeah.
me say that some yes here. Let me consider this as yes. Okay, why? Because he has given in terms of x. No, he has given in terms of x. Look at this here. So 3 times of 3bx, something like that. So let me consider that as x. So x cube is equal to here 2a plus 3 times of, this is cubic root guys, cubic root. Okay, 3 into cubic root of a square. Now square root will be getting cancelled. A square minus b cube. आया समझ? Yes or no? Into this x. So x cube plus 2a plus 3 into plus a square minus a square will be getting cancelled. 2 into what you remain with here now, minus b cube. Here cubic root, don't forget that, into x. X cube plus 2a plus what can I write this one? Guys, what can I write here? Minus b cube whole to the power of 1 by cube. Can I write yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah,
Yes,
3.
sir.
So this 3 will be getting cancelled. X cube plus 2a minus 3bx. So x cube minus 2a plus 3bx is equal to 0. This may answer. 0 is the answer. That is what he asked us to find. He asked us to find what is the value of this. 0 is the answer. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. I just took this part as x, man. Look at this here. This is, I just took this part as like whole part as x here. So if I take yx, tell me here. Yx. Yes, given in the question. Yeah, given in the question. Look at this. X is equal to something given in the question. Okay? X is equal to given in the question. So I'm substituting x value. I'm doing that after that. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts?
So could you explain it again? Like I just wanted to understand.
Where you did not understand? Tell me.
So that after cutting this thing, after that I didn't understand.
Basic calculation if you don't understand. Huh? Look at this here. You understood this step as it is, this step as it is. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
This step as it is, I'm writing here. Just me highlight with the yellow color. This step as it is, I'm writing 3 as it is. Now look at this here. What are this value given in the x? This x value given. X value given here in the question. This part can be written as x. So this part I'm writing what? Look at this here. Now. Look at this here. Now look at this. This is what here. It is looking like a plus b into a minus b. Okay? आया समझ? A 1 to the power 1 by 3, 1 to the power 1 by 3 here. Yes. Can you hear me now? Yes. Now, listen to me here. A plus b whole to the power 1 by 3, right? So here bases are same, right? A plus b. So now can I just simply write a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square whole to the power of 1 by 3. Can I write? Yes or no? Yes or no? So 1 by 3 can be written as cube root of a square minus b square. That's what I wrote here. What is b here? B is nothing but this one. A is what here? A only. Aya samajh? Are you people understanding here? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Who asked that out? Steve. Benjamin Steve. Steve, are you? Steve, are you here? Yes, Yogesh, Sira Yogesh, you might be getting that question. See here, look at this here. So 3 into here, it is looking like A plus something B into A minus B. All right, A plus B into A minus B I wrote. So A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. B is what here? Square root of A square plus B cube. So B square here, square root will be getting cancelled. So A square minus B square. Clear? This x value as it is I'm writing here. Who asked the doubt and he has left the meeting? Who's that? Who asked the doubt? I'm asking. Hello? Someone has asked the doubt. Who was that? Hello?
Yes,
Sira,
sir.
Sira, you asked the doubt?
No, sir, I didn't.
He has left the meeting. No problem. Look at this here. Okay? Chalo, next question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation, x cube minus 7x plus 7 is equal to 0, then 1 by alpha to the power of 4 plus 1 by beta to the power of 4 plus 1 by gamma to the power of 4 is equal to what? Make it fast. Make it fast. These are like somewhat big questions only. Guys, you solve this question as homework. We'll go for the next question. This is a beautiful question. Very, very, very wonderful question. Take it as a homework. Very, 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 very wonderful question. Next question. Let me give one more question. Take it as homework. Don't solve it now. Solve it at your home. Factorize 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18. And given that 2x plus 3 is one factor. 2x plus 3 is a one factor. See here, factorize this one given that it is a factor. This one is a factor of this polynomial. So how can I solve this? How can I solve this? Tell
We
me.
can put it as the value of x, right? And then simplify it.
No. Look at it. Factorize this one. So you are saying that 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Substitute over there. That's what you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you substitute, what do you get, man? X value substitute, you will get a constant here. X value is equal to minus 3 by 2. If you substitute in this polynomial, you will get a constant. There is no
There
point of
should be
getting
a
constant.
division algorithm.
Division algorithm, log division method. See, basically what? I just divide a given polynomial with a 2x plus 3, which is nothing but, look at this, 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18. Look at this. So how can I divide this? What number?
2x square.
2x square. 2x square into 2x, 4x cube plus 2x square into 3, how much? 6x square. So this part will be 0
Got
now.
the answer.
What is the answer?
I got the factors as minus 3 by 2, comma minus 3 by 2 and minus 2.
Very good. So look at this now. Minus plus here. So this becomes 0. So what do you get here? 14x square. So here 30. Here minus, right? Whatever. So minus. So 33x plus 18. Okay. I asked how much? So with what number I have to multiply again? Plus 7x. So 14x square plus 21x plus 21x. This will be 0. I don't have constant, right? So subtract minus. So this will be getting cancelled. What do you remain with here? 12, right? So 12x plus 18. So with what number I have to multiply here? Again 6. Okay. Are you people understanding here? So 6 2s are.
Yes, sir.
12x. So plus 6 3 is 18. So remainder is what? 0 is a remainder. Okay. So remainder is 0 is nothing but 2x plus 3 is a factor. So now look at this. What is the quotient I got here? So now look at this. Here 2x plus 3 is a one factor. Now 2x square plus 7x plus 6 is a factor. How can I just factorize this one? 2x square. So 12 is nothing but 4x plus 3x plus 6. So if I take 2x common, so x plus 2 plus 3 common, x plus 2. So x plus 2 into 2x plus 3. Okay. So x plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 is a factor and x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is a factor. Okay. So x is equal here. I got here also. Look at this here. So when I just divide with, I got remainder 0, right? So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, minus 2 is a factors here. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
Sir, we get minus 3 by 2 two times.
Yeah, no problem. You write one time. Yes. You write like this. So therefore factors of polynomial is 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 into x plus 2. These are the factors. I hope it is clear with everyone. Any doubts? So chalo. Next question. Any doubts here, guys? Any doubts? Tell me. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
What about others? What about others? Chalo, next.
Sir, can you once go through the formulae for cubic polynomials?
What formula?
I mean, for if it's given alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, and then for them
I didn't get you. Sorry.
anything, all the formulas related to cubic polynomials, to solving them, that might, come in the solution. In the first question, remember we used alpha beta plus beta. Yeah, these three formulas. Are these the only three?
Yeah, only the. So when like sum of the roots, product of the roots, and sum of the product of the two at a time. Two at a time. Look at this here. Sum of the product of the roots two at a time. Alpha beta beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay. All right. All right. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Next question. Look at this. Let me give a simple question. Let's see how many of you are aware of this. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 is said to be a cubic polynomial if is equal to dash. When d is equal not equal to 0, c is equal not 0, c and a is not equal to 0.
Sir, it's D, sir.
Sir, it's D. A is not
Option-
is equal to 0.
A is not equals to 0. Option D.
Alpha and beta are the zeros of the alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of this polynomial. The polynomial whose zeros are this one. Tell me what is the answer of this. Next question is, very good question. If beta and by beta are s zeros of polynomial. Guys, I don't have power here. I'm using mobile data. So yeah. So my laptop also got shut down. So it might be like turning off. We can we have just 5 minutes of time. So whenever it's turned off, just you can leave the class. Okay. When my laptop is got turned off, if it is unfortunately is getting turned off, just you can leave the class. Need not to wait for me. Okay. Just we have 5 minutes of time, right? Please do solve the above one. Do solve the above question. Zeros of the polynomial. Alpha square plus alpha into x square plus 61x plus 6 alpha and of make it fast. Children, do you have any doubts? See here, basically what he has asked for, alpha and beta are the zeros, I mean roots of the polynomial. Which one? This one. The polynomial whose zeros are this one and this one is what? First, what you have to find it out? First, you have to find it out the values of, see here, these are the roots here. These are the roots. This is, let us say this is alpha, this is beta. Okay, this is the first root. This is alpha, this is beta. Sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Minus b by a means 4. So alpha beta is equal to what? Minus c by a. Clear? Sorry, plus c by a, not minus c by a, plus c by a. So what is alpha here? This is alpha. So this plus this is equal to minus 4. This into this is equal to 3. So solve that, you will get the answer. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? We have to find out a polynomial. We have to find out a
No, sir, no
polynomial.
doubt.
We have to find out a polynomial whose roots are this one. We have to find out a polynomial which roots are 1 plus beta by alpha and 1 plus gamma alpha by beta. I hope it is. I gave a hint. This is also a homework. Okay. Next. Next. So similarly, see here beta. Here, if beta and 1 by beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Which polynomial? Which polynomial? This polynomial. ठीक है? तो क्या करना है इधर? Find the values of alpha and beta. Very simple, guys. Very, very simple. I don't think so it troubles you. See here, let me give a hint here, guys. Similar type of question. Alpha as a beta and beta are the roots. Beta and beta are the beta and 1 by beta are the roots. So sum of the roots is what? Sum of the roots. Beta plus 1 by beta is equal to minus b by a minus 61. Yes or no? Product of the roots. Beta into 1 by beta is equal to c by a. C by a means what here? 6 alpha by a. So what you got here? 6 alpha is equal to alpha square plus alpha. So alpha square minus 5 alpha is equal to 0. Yes or no? So alpha is equal to what? Alpha common. Alpha value is 0 or alpha value 5. आया समझ? कोई doubt? Any doubts?
Sir, can you
No,
explain
sir.
it again?
Hey, bhai, look at this here. This is alpha, this is a beta here. These are the two roots. Sum of the roots is what? Minus b by a. What is b here?
Yes, sir. I understood it.
So minus b by a. Very, very simple, yaar. ये बहुत सारा simple question है, ठीक है? Guys, I think we have done with the time, and my battery also got down, so I just it is showing red mark. So yes, so no problem. So let's retire now. Please do solve this question. I just found out alpha value. You have to find it beta value. Clear? I'll be sharing these notes with you all. Please do find it out. All right. So let's
Okay.
retire now. We'll meet in the next session and goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.